Hello, I am the Stock Options Hero, and from here on out, I'm going to share with you stock options secrets that only the most successful option traders know. In my videos, you are going to see my secret options trading system that only a handful of people know. And as I'm sure you're well aware of by now, options trading can be very lucrative. However, most options traders are not consistently successful, or even worse, lose money trading stock options. Trading stock options can be a high probability trade if done properly. Let me show you. Now, each day I will record a video where I play simulated options trades. So subscribe to my channel and watch my videos daily to learn how you too can be a successful stock options trader. Disclaimer: these videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any securities or stock options. Before I dive into today's stock options video, I have a small favor to ask. If you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will see my videos as soon as they are posted. This way, you won't miss out on any paper trading ideas. Tell me in the comments section which option trades you are looking at paper trading, and if you're lucky, I might do analysis on a ticker symbol from the comments section. All right, let's leap into today's video. All right, welcome to another exciting video by Stock Options Hero. So let's jump into it and see how we're doing today. So we're down to 64.50 and we're up 609.50 overall. And that is not including the positions I've already exited. So about around day 30, we'll do an analysis to see how well we did between open and closed positions. So let's see how SPY is doing today. So yeah, kind of looking at the monitor tab, it makes sense that SPY is rallying today. So just zooming in. So it's trying, but now that the price has failed 3 times, 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 times, that means this is a very strong resistance level, which tells me it will most likely fail at or below this line. So pretty confident we'll fall back around 390 or so. So I'm still bearish on the overall market. Let's see what kind of trade entries we can find. So today is April 6th. And Now is a good time to remind you that my videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only. Okay, so yeah, KOLD is not going the way we want it to. So I was hesitant about putting on the trade because of the overall uptrend on this ETF. But we'll see. Hopefully it will double top it or triple top and then fail. So we'll keep a close eye on it. Okay. AI. We have already exited this position and it will most likely run back up around 2850 and just trend in this. It may break to the upside again, maybe even draw a new trend line. And so if this were a bullish market, you could think about putting on a bull call spread. Maybe try like the 1750 and the 15, or the 1750 and the 1250, depending on what the prob OTM or the delta is. But because it's an overall bearish market, I'm not putting on bullish trades. The trend is your friend. Ooh, that's not good. So BUR is making a new high today. So let's see. We're down 52.50. So cancel, replace. And we initially received a 50-cent credit. I'm going to change my stop to a 50-cent debit. So this will basically be a scratch trade minus commissions. So because of the strength it's showing, I just want to get out for what I received. I mean, it's entirely possible that it'll just crash with some profit taking, but I don't know. I feel more comfortable just scratching the trade at this point. And UGT, I don't think we're in this. No. So it's gold related, and I would rather not short gold right now. DoorDash, yeah, we're in this one. See, the trend is up. And it's gone all the way from 1650 to 32. So basically the price has doubled since the first of the year. We could add this to our watch list and wait until the stochastic is above the 70 line again before going short. It looks like it may trend higher for the near term. So let's add to almost ready. Yeah, no. It's already at the mean. So too bad I didn't catch it back over here. Right? So this area would have been an ideal time to get into a bear call spread on COHR. Almost looks like Netflix is trying to form a head and shoulders pattern. And if it comes down here and breaks the neckline, then historically the move will be the distance between the neckline and the head. It will basically flip down and be a mirror image of the head and shoulders pattern. So from 281 to, let's see, maybe 380. So roughly 100 points to the downside. So around 190 would be the target. So let's see. What's the 375 going for? Okay. So remember, I like the 17 delta and 85 probability OTM. So let's try the 395 and the 400. Yeah, so it's like a 15% return on capital. And then once again, 395. So yeah, I would need to go all the way up here for us to get in trouble with the trade. So yeah, I feel pretty comfortable with that. 1248. Okay. Remember to stay around the 1%, 1 to 2% of your net liquidation on your trade size. So trying to keep, scratch that. I am keeping my trade size to $1,000 or less. Okay. Bubba's going against us. Not too worried at this time. Okay. So, looking historically, this underlier has reversed when the MACD is around this level where my cursor is, around 0.65 on the MACD. The stochastic is above the 70 line. Looks like it's trying to turn down, or at least level out. The overall trend is down. I don't like the IV is only 48, but let's see what kind of credit we can get with like a 22 strike. So 22 and 26. And it's over 10%. Let's try 25 and 30. Yeah, no. So the 21 is a 32 delta. Yeah. Okay, I think the best compromise will be the 22 and the 26. We can do 5 contracts. So risk 1009 to make 150, so 15%. Let's do it. And GFI. Yeah, so the MACD is way overbought historically. Wonder what like the 2-year looks like. It's like it's Gold Fields. It's another gold stock. And we'll add this to the watch list. Oh, okay. Someone looks all right. About the 150. $150, $165. Yeah, above 10%. Put on 2. Yeah, so once again, it would have to go up here. And historically, it doesn't like to trade above this blue LRC or the +1 standard deviation LRC. So yeah, feeling decent about that one. NVIDIA. Good. 280, 300. Okay. So I can try the 310, 315. So way up there. I like that. Plenty of buffer. 43. So remember to calculate ROC. You take your credit divided by your buying power effect. So 15% due to contracts. Another gold stock doing well, not surprising. This one to our watch list. I know I'm below 50 on the IV, but there just hasn't been much trade entries today, so I'm kind of scraping the bottom of the barrel looking for some. So this is another ETF that tracks gold. Another gold stock. And I would limit my exposure to one, maybe two gold stocks. I try to diversify my positions as much as possible. What is like a 180? Okay, so 185, 190. Okay, yeah, about 14%. 60 divided by 440, 13.6. So once again, 185, way up there. So 440, I can do two contracts. Let's do it. INTC. Yeah, look at the MACD. It's way up there, way overextended. What about on the 2-year? Yeah, even on a 2-year time frame, the MACD is at an extreme range. So I'll go back to the 1 year, like a 40 or a 45. Okay, I guess that's too far out. Let's try a 35. Yeah, no, it's too close. About like a 37 and a 40. Okay, sure. We'll try that. Do 3 of these. Amazon. Yeah, look at the number of contracts on the volume. So over 1,000 on both the 120 and 125. I'm assuming a lot of those are bear call spreads. So it's always nice to see other credit spread investors putting on that position. So 120, 125, 932. Oh, that's too bad. So I know it's under 10%, but 7%. So this is the trade-off. We're getting 7% on our money for a 90% chance of making 7%. So do you want to maybe try the 115 and the 120? So the 115 is right here. Let's see what kind of ROC. Definitely better. So 65 credit divided by buying power effect, 15% rounding. Yeah. I'm willing to take on roughly 5% of additional risk for that difference in ROC. Okay, so we'll send that off. Yeah, so it looks like it may be double topping. Another gold stock. Okay, I think that's good for today. Another gold stock. Oh, GDX, gold ETF. Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and call it for the day. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified as soon as I upload a video. Thanks again. Take care.